Hello everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. Okay, let us discuss about pH scale. Okay, this pH scale is what is pH? This pH scale means the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ions in concentration of the negative logarithm. Okay, the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ions concentration expressed in moles per liter of solution is called pH scale. Okay, this pH is the pH. Okay. pH equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, this square bracket means concentration. Okay, concentration of H plus ions in expressed to the moles per liter. Okay, that is called the pH. Okay, then pH equal to log 1 by concentration of H plus ions. Okay, pH equal to log 1 by concentration of H plus ions. From we can write that then concentration of H plus ions equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. This is a very important. These three formulas is very important. Okay, pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus ions or pH equal to log 1 by concentration of H plus ions, and then concentration of H plus ions equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. Okay, this is the very important. Okay, and same this pH definition is define pH is the negative logarithm of the H plus ions concentration expressed to the moles per liter of solution is called pH. Okay, and next one is the similar to the POH. Okay, similar to the POH definition is POH is the negative logarithm of the hydroxyl ions. Okay, same similar to negative logarithm of the hydroxyl ions in concentration of solution expressed to the moles per liter is called POH. Okay, this POH is a formula is POH equal to minus log concentration of OH minus. Okay, OH is the concentrate hydroxyl ions. Okay, POH definition is negative logarithm of the concentration of OH minus ions expressed to the moles per liter is called POH, or POH equal to log 1 by concentration of OH minus ions. This is the pH and POH. Okay, and next one is the pH scale is range of 0 to 14. Okay, this is the 0 to 14 pH scale range is 0 to 14. Okay, for acidic solution pH value is less than 7 and basic solution is pH is more than 7 and pH is the neutral solution is pH is equal to 7. Okay, this is the pH scale is less than to 7 and acidic solution is less than to 7. Okay, basic solution is more than to 7. Okay, and neutral solution is 7. Okay, and next one is this concept the sum of the pH of and POH is equal to 14. Okay, pH and POH is equal to 14 is a very important. pH plus POH equal to 14. This is the pH and POH is equal to 14. Okay, this is the acidic solution, this is the basic solution. Okay, this is acidic solutions, this is basic solution, this is the neutral. Okay, this is the more than to 7, this is the less than to 7. Okay, neutral solution is 7. Okay, and the next one is the concept of pH is extended to other values or constant. Okay, the concept of the pH is extended to other values or constant. Then pKa means Ka is the acidic solutions equal to minus log Ka, minus log acidic solutions, and Kb is the basic solutions. This is the K is the constant value. Okay, minus K minus log Kb. Okay, and Kw is the ionic product of water. Okay, equal to minus log Kw. Okay, problems on pH scale. Okay, first problem is the find the pH of 0.001 in HCl solution. Okay, this is the find the pH. Okay, that we don't know pH value. Okay, this solution is 0.001 in HCl solution. HCl is an acid or base. Okay, this is the HCl is strong acid. HCl is strong acid. Okay, it ionizes to water. It ionizes to water. Okay, it ionizes to water. Okay, find the pH. Okay, pH is the concentration of H plus ions. Okay, HCl is the how many hydrogens are here? Only one hydrogen. Okay, the value is concentration. The value is 0.001. Okay, 0.001. Okay, how many hydrogens? Only one hydrogen. Okay, into equal to same 0.001. Okay, then or this point is cancel the point. Okay, or 1 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3. Okay, minus 3. Okay, the concentration of H plus value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this formula is pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus ion. This is the formula. Okay, and the minus log concentration of H plus value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, concentration of H plus ion value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, hydrogens is the only one hydrogen. 1 into 0.001 or 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, and next one, this is the formula. These values substituted in this formula. Okay, then minus log 1 into minus log into 1 minus log 1. Okay, minus into minus plus. Okay, 3 log 10. Okay, and minus log 1 value equal to 0 and log 10 value is 1. Okay, log 10 value is 1. Okay, minus log 1 value is 0. 3 into log 10 value is 1. Okay, 0.0 plus 3 into 1. This answer is 3. pH equal to 3. Okay, another problem is find the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution. Okay, this is the find the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution. Okay, H2SO4 is strong acid. Okay, it ionizes in water. It ionizes completely in water. Okay, H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4 is how many hydrogens here? 2 hydrogens. Okay, concentration of H plus ions. Okay, concentration of H plus ions is 2. Okay, this the molarity is 0.02. Okay, how many hydrogens here? 2. 0.02 into 2. Okay, answer is 0.04. Okay, or 4 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, concentration of H plus ions equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, H2SO4 is a strong acid. It ionizes in water. Then concentration of H plus ions equal to 0.02. How many hydrogens here? 2 hydrogens. 0.02 into 2. Okay, 0.02 into 2 is a 0.04. Okay, cancel this one. Okay, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, this is the concentration of value and formula is pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus ions. Okay, this value is substituted. Okay, minus log 4 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, and next one is a multiply. Okay, equal to minus log 4. Okay, minus log into 4 minus log. Okay, minus into minus plus. Okay, 2 log 10. Okay, then minus log 4 value 0.6021. Okay, minus log 4 value is 0.6021 and log 10 value is 1. Okay, these are substituted. Minus log 4 value is minus 0.6021 plus 2 into minus log 10 value is 1. Okay, then calculate the answer is 1.3979. The pH value is 1.3979. This is the pH of the H2SO4.